The Twitter streets were against Nelson Chamisa this past weekend. First of all, Nelson Chamisa tweeted verses, and as usual, Uncle Hope Oshingono was on him. First, he said that Nelson Chamisa was supposed to be quiet about the politics and stop posting verses because his strategy was not working. And after that, Hope Oshingono also posted these guys that were in Gokwe, you remember, who were arrested. And remember what they said? They said they didn't want President Idi Mnangagwa to be the chairman of SADC.
SADC ngai respect maZimbabweans. Tiri kuti Mnangagwa hakuna paanogadzikwa pa SADC. Chamisa ndiye munhu akavhoterwa. Kana vari kuzogadzika, ngavagadzike Chamisa. Ndo zvatiri kuirirana. Chamisa ndiye anofanira kugara. So ndo zviri kuti hazvisi kutaurwa neni. Inini ndinongori spokesperson.
And the person that is supposed to be installed is Nelson Chamisa. What happened to them? They were arrested. Hope Oshingono is saying, these are the people that got arrested because of you. Why are you tweeting about God is in it when the people really need your help? Some people even agree. Some people even went further to say, accuse Nelson Chamisa of being a total sellout or somebody who received money from ZANU-PF. George Charamba even defended him when this doctor, Limkani Mate, said Chamisa must leave opposition altogether. Denford Nganziwore even insulted Ibo Mandaza and said he was a useless man as he agreed with Hope Oshingono. Knives were out for him as his story about being chased from Catholic University came out. What do you think should happen to Nelson Chamisa? If I'm being honest about the politics of Zimbabwe or the politics in general, is that as a Zimbabwean, it's high time you should not trust politicians. Why? You remember with Joshua Nkomo? He walked into a unity government with ZANU-PF after the Kukurahundi. Isn't that selling out? Morgan Tsvangirai walked into a GNU after 200 people had died. And not only that, there were further 200 people that died during Operation Akudzokwe in Chiadzo. But still, he walked into a unity government. How many people died defending Nelson Chamisa? How many people died wanting to cast their votes in the 2023 elections? How many people died in 2018 elections when they were protesting for Chamisa's vote? And what did he call them? Stupid.
This is actually, you are talking about an election that has not been declared. And why would I even react? Because I don't know the election that will be announced. It was very stupid even for people who demonstrated. To demonstrate for the results to be released. It was stupid.
So, in all honesty, after people have gone out into the streets and protested and done everything, the politicians will simply walk tiptoe, walk on top of the graves and negotiate their dinner. So it's high time you should not trust politicians. Don't put your life or your trust in them. These are my thoughts. You tell me what you think about Nelson Chamisa.